Hello guys, it's EK here and thanks Random Hand. Okay, so right now I have the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro and it's the advanced version of the Xiaomi Mi 8 phone. And one of the best features of this phone is the fact that it has a transparent back. I'm not sure about you guys, but that's getting me excited, so let's get on to the unboxing.
Here's a message from our sponsor for today's video. Pick a Trip is a super easy to use travel booking app where you can get the best deals on flights and hotels without getting redirected to other third-party sites. You can easily view the available flight schedules from various airline companies, full hotel room details, view your full travel itinerary, and pay everything off in one single app with your Visa card to enjoy exclusive deals. Download the app on the Apple App Store and Google Play at absolutely no charge.
Okay, first things first, you're gonna see this little guy and you just open it up. It's like an envelope. First thing you'll be seeing is your silicone case, which is very normal. Okay, next you'll be seeing some paperwork by Xiaomi. Next you'll be seeing a USB-C dongle for a headphone jack and also your SIM injector too. So next you'll see the phone and we'll just take that out and we'll talk about it later. And next you will also see a fast charging 18 watts charger and also a USB Type-C cable. And that's all about it for the unboxing. So right now I have the phone with me, and before I turn on the phone, I'm just gonna peel off the plastic around it. Some ASMR for you guys. Oh, okay. Ta-da! This is the whole look of the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro. It's sleek and it's sexy. One of the key features of this phone is the fact that it has a glass back which is transparent and you can see every single thing that's running in your phone. For example, the chip of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 that's in the middle here, where you can see very clearly. And to be honest, there's not many phones out there that has this kind of design. So this phone makes a very good phone to show off to your family and friends out there. Okay, moving on to the side of the phone, you can see on your left hand side, you can see the volume button and the power button, which is red in color. Very sleek and very pretty. And on the other side of the phone, you can see the SIM tray port. Now, moving on to the bottom of the phone, you have the speaker grills and also your USB Type-C port. Another key feature of the phone is the fact that it has an in-screen fingerprint sensor that allows you to unlock your phone pretty fast. Now, I already done the setup just now, so I'm gonna demo it to you right now. And it'll turn on. So one more time, just a bit of pressure, then it turns on. And I wouldn't say it's slow and I wouldn't say it's super fast, but it does unlock my phone for within 2 seconds. If you're not a fan of the in-screen fingerprint sensor, then it's okay, it's fine, because there's another system that you can use, which is the face unlock system. I'm gonna do the demo for the face unlock system for you guys. So right now I'm gonna turn off my phone, and by just clicking onto the power button, let it sensor, and tada! Just within 1 second. One more time. See? Personally, I prefer the face unlock system more than the in-screen fingerprint sensor because I find it faster and it's much more easier and convenient for me. The phone comes with 6.21 AMOLED screen. It has a notch on top of here. And the phone comes with Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and also 3000 mAh battery. So the front here, it houses 20 megapixel front-facing camera lens, whereas the back here, the back camera, it is dual camera. So both of it houses 12 megapixel camera lens, which one is for telephoto and one for wide angle. So I took a few sample photos from the phone, and the very first thing I took was a selfie. I'm liking the outcome. It's nice, colors are vibrant, the pic looks sharp, and it's not overly washed out. I also took a picture outdoor, and as you can see in the picture, it has a natural lighting. It looks sharp. The green has a nice contrast, which makes it look like it stands out in the picture, and overall it just looks good. I've also tried out the portrait mode of the phone by taking picture of a Hulk figure. The bokeh effect would definitely look nice in a wide angle view, but if you zoom in, the bouquet doesn't actually fill up entirely. So that's all about it for the unboxing and first look of the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro. If you would like to watch a full review, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. I'm EK. I'll see you next time. Bye!